Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed, welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your spice shop. Okay, so guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you opt this method that I'm about to tell you, it will save a lot of your crucial time and it will generate your leads into your customers and it will improve your profits and sales as well. How? Let me tell you. Suppose that you are running a business of spices and you are selling many types of spices, and for that you have created a Facebook page to market your business and to generate more leads to convert them into clients, right? So in that Facebook page you are running Facebook lead ads. So whenever any interested visitor visits your page and he wants to do business with you, he is going to click on those Facebook lead ads and a Facebook lead ad form will pop up in front of him or her. So if he is going to fill the form and submit, you are going to generate a new lead from Facebook lead ads, right? Now you want to share with that lead the quotation of your business or brochure or rate list of your business, right? And you want to share that quotation on the WhatsApp account of your lead. Now to get this done, you have two ways. One way is that whenever you generate a new lead from Facebook lead ads, you are going to manually sort out the details of that lead. Then you will come to WhatsApp and manually type a message, a personalized message for that lead and attach your business's quotation and send to him or her on the WhatsApp. But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of leads on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your crucial time and energy and can be very problematic. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you generate a new lead from Facebook lead ads, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to that lead along with your business's quotation or brochure? Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever a new lead generated, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to that lead along with your quotation, right? And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge, so any non-technical person can also perform this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation or connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen and here you can see I have opened my Facebook page for my spices business, okay? And in this page guys, we are running Facebook lead ads to generate more leads. And here is a Facebook lead ad form attached with our ads. This is the spice brochure form attached. And whenever someone fills this form, any interested person fills this form, we are going to send to him or her the quotation of our business on their WhatsApp accounts here, right? So what I would like to show you, I'll fill this form here and generate a test lead to show you the demo, and we will check the WhatsApp account of this lead if it receives the message along with the quotation of our business here or not. So here are the details. Haider Khan is the name of our new lead, and let me fill the number, WhatsApp number of this person. Okay, so I filled the number. Now I'm clicking on next and submit this form. Okay, so it is saying thanks, you're all set, and a new test lead has been sent, right? Now we will check in this WhatsApp account if Mr. Haider Khan receives the rate list or the quotation of our business or not. So guys, Facebook uses polling technique to send the data, so it might take 3 to 4 minutes to reach the message here. So we are going to wait for 3 to 4 minutes and then we will check. So guys, the wait is over, the message is here, let's check. And the message is this: hello Haider Khan, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Spice Shop. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. And this is the link of the brochure. Let me show you this also. And here you can see we have the PDF file attached. So this is the quotation or the brochure of our business of our spices store, right? Okay. So guys, this is how it is going to work in real time. So now you are wondering how this message came here. Okay, so I did not type anything. I did not attach this link. I just fill the form here the lead ad form here, and a WhatsApp message got automatically delivered to the lead like this. So let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So guys, step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So in second step, we'll bring down the data of a new lead generated from Facebook lead ads here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 says send the quotation to leads on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally, we are going to send the quotation or the brochure of our business on the WhatsApp account of the lead which have captured here in Pabbly Connect. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. Okay, so I'll tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So first of all, in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products and click on Pabbly Connect. Now, from this page, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. I have already done this, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Now from this all apps section of Pabbly, come to Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. And this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to start working here guys, you have to create workflows like these. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button. And here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name. So I have filled the name as Spices Business Brochure to Facebook Leads on WhatsApp. Now click on create here and you will see your workflow is created, and here you will find these 2 things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new lead generated from Facebook lead ads, and the action would be is to send the business's brochure on the WhatsApp account of the lead. So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, you have to choose your application as Facebook lead ads. Okay, after this, click on this trigger event and select new lead option. And this connect button will appear, click on it. And from this window, you have to select add new connection. Then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so I am already logged in Facebook, so it will be connected automatically like this. Okay, it started showing connected here. And now it will ask for this page's name. It is asking on which page you are running the lead ads and you want to connect it here. So this is our page, AJ Spices. And in Pabbly Connect, you have to select this page from this drop down menu. Here in this field, it is showing us all the pages that I have created in Facebook for different reasons. And here I'll find my page as well. This one, AJ Spices, I'm selecting that. And you can see the lead generation form is automatically selected, Spice Brochure form. Because we have only one form here, lead ad form in this Facebook page, right? Now, when I click here on save and send test request, the data of the most recent lead that has been generated from this lead ad form is going to be delivered here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me show you how it's going to be happen. I'm going to generate a new lead for you, and then we will capture the data here. So here I have opened my lead ad form again, and now let me fill the details again. Now this time the lead is this, Zakir Khan, and let me fill the number 2. Okay, now I'm clicking on next here and submit, and it is showing thanks, you're all set. Our new lead is generated here. You can see your test lead has been sent. Now let's capture the data of this lead here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and you can see the data is captured here like this in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so the first 2 steps are completed. We are connected with Facebook lead ads and we have captured the data of the lead here like this. After this, what you have to do, click on the section window And now it is time to send the business's brochure as a new message on the WhatsApp account of the lead. So to do that, from this choose app, you have to choose the application as 360 dialog. So you might wondering what 360 dialog is and why we are using this. Actually guys, to send messages on WhatsApp, we need the access of WhatsApp's API. So 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. So now click on this action event and select send template message option. Okay. And this connect button will appear, click on it. And from this window, select add new connection option if you are making the connection with 360 dialog for the very first time. So for the first time, it will ask for this API key and the domain name. So to find these things, you have to go to 360 dialog account and there have to generate a API key. So let me show you this. This is my 360 dialog account guys, and you can also set up your own 360 dialog account. And to do that, I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in much less prices than the usual prices, right? And here I'm going to click on WhatsApp accounts page. And here you can see we have this button showing generate API key. So by clicking on this generate API key button, you can generate the API key. After that, copy that key and paste it here in this API key field in Pabbly Connect. Okay. And while generating the API key, you will also find this domain which will look like this link. So copy that domain and paste it here in this domain field. After pasting both of the things, click on save here and you will be connected with 360 dialog, right? So guys, generating this API key is one-time task only. Once you generate your own key, you can use the same key to make the connections afterwards also with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and doing the connection for the first time is like this is also a one-time process. Once you made the connection by this process, you can choose existing connection option afterwards. As I have already made a connection by this process earlier in a different workflow, so I can choose this existing connection option, and now I just have to click on save here and you will see that will be connected with 360 dialog. So you can see connected is showing up here, and now it is asking for the templates. Okay, so let me first tell you what template is. So I'm going to my 360 dialog account again, and here I'm going to click on this manage templates button. So these are the templates here we have in 360 dialog. Okay, so what are these? Let me show you my template that we are going to use, that I have created. This one, send brochure final. Okay guys, so you can see templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp. So to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, first you have to create these standard message templates in 360 dialog. After that, you can use them to send messages. Okay, so to create a template, you just have to click here on add template button. Let me show you this one. And then here I have to give a name to your template. You have to select the categories, which type of template you want to create from this, and the language in which you are sending the message, and the type of the template. Okay. And then here in this body field, you have to type the main body or the message that you want to send right on WhatsApp. After that, click here on preview and submit, and your message template will be submitted. After that, what will happen? Facebook's parent company will review your template and approve your template for using. Okay, so these are the approved templates I have, and the template we are using is this. Let me show you again. Okay, this is not it. Our template is this one, send brochure final. Okay, and here you can notice in this message we have this 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So guys, these are the body fields or the variables we have in our message. So we can use one template for different purposes. Okay, for that we have created these body fields or the variables, and these things are going to be changed with every new message. Let me show you. After hello, for example, as in our use case, after hello we are going to put the name of the lead that we have generated. So that is going to change with every new message, right? Thank you for showing your interest in. So here, if you have more than one Facebook page, we are going to enter the name of the page that will going to be changed with every new message. Okay. And here in this third body field, we can enter the name of other services or the things we are selling, right? So that can also change. The website address can change. So to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, you have to map the values of these body fields also in Pabbly Connect here in these body fields. Yeah. So first of all, let us select our template from this template field, and it will show me the list of all the approved templates. And here I am going to find my template, which is this one, send brochure final. Okay. Okay. So after selecting the template, this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up. And here in this recipient's mobile number field, you have to enter the mobile number of your lead or WhatsApp number, right? So we captured the data of our lead here in this step. So to get this number here, you have to click on this field and you will find this Facebook lead ads option. Click on it and you will find the same data that we have captured in the second step. So from here, you have to click on the phone number option and the phone number is mapped here. Okay. And you have to remember that you have to put the WhatsApp number in this format. So it must include this plus sign and the country code. So you have to got this number. You have to take this number from your leads in this format only. As you can see in my Facebook lead ad form, I have already mentioned here that you have to select the country code and the plus sign. So we are getting the number in this exact same format. So you have to remember this, right? After this, let us fill the body fields that are required to send the message. So in the first body field, we are going to enter the name of the person. Okay. So let's map the name. I'm clicking on this body field 1, then on Facebook leads, and here is the name. I'm mapping it. Then in the second body field, let me show you. Okay, thank your interest in. So let me fill here. Okay, so the things which can be entered manually, you can enter manually like this. Okay. And let me fill all other body fields like this. For example, let me show you this body field 4. It is asking for the link. So here we are going to enter the link of the quotation we have. So this is my quotation of the business or the brochure. So this I have saved in my Google Drive. So I'm going to create a shareable link from here. Now from this get link option, I'm going to copy this link and paste this link here in this field. Okay. So similarly, you can also fill all other body fields too. Let me fill them. Okay, so I have filled all other body fields too. Now let me click here on save and send test request, and you will see the data that we have filled here will be delivered as a new message according to our template to the WhatsApp account here of our lead. Okay. So let me click here on save and send test request. And you can see that it started showing this type of response, and we have received a new message too. Let me show you. And the message is this. It is saying, hello Zakir Khan, thank you for showing your interest in Spice Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, and this is the link of this brochure. And here you can see in this message we have this note, and it is saying please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. So guys, this is an instruction to the leads. If they save your number, so this link will be made clickable. Okay, so you can put these kind of notes here in your message templates when you create here in 360 dialog. Okay, so yeah, our workflow is completed here. Just click on save, and let me give you the quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we connected Facebook lead ads. Then we selected the page and captured the data of a new lead here like this. After that, we connected 360 dialog to send messages on WhatsApp, selected the template, filled the body fields required to send the message. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that the message is here, right? And now we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start automating your business instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.